So anytime you're treating water, like when you saw me up there yesterday, I was checking the levels. So the moment you start the treatment process, you can be around for a little while, and then you go and check. So this is because, come on, let me show you something. So when you forget something, you can refer to the PDF. Now we said that monitor the tanks, we have said that. And then after treatment is done, first turn off the pressure pump. After treatment is done, first turn off the pressure pump. Followed by the feed pump. Then turn the main switch off. Yeah, on the inside, main switch off. Lastly, close the air valve to make sure water doesn't flow. If that happens, you will waste the water through the waste line. Okay?
The valve that is here, this valve?
Yeah, valve. This valve? Yes, of course.
This valve?
No. Leave it. This is for...
this valve and this valve.
No, don't lock this valve. Only this.
Only this.
Don't lock the pump. The pump valve has nothing to do with this. If you switch this, if you lock the pump valve, the borehole valve, and you forgot yourself, you will damage. So just leave it. To be on the safer side, just. Do you understand? Abraham, are you okay? Good. Now let's look at can someone demonstrate the whole process for me theoretically? Can someone okay, I want you to tell me the process in doing that theoretically. I want you. Do you understand? You understand what we've done so far? Can you tell me? Can you tell me? Can you teach me?
Teach you.
Teach me. Yeah, what we have done. Teach me. Let's say I don't know anything. So teach me. Start.
What?
You're going to teach me.
Teach you
the process.
The process.
The arrow process, yes.
Okay. The arrow process. You say after to begin the arrow process, you can also
the main switch.
Yes, the main switch. Okay. After the main switch, you verify the valve. Okay. Verify the valve. Release it.
Okay.
After releasing the valve, you come here to release also the main.
Switch on the main.
The main. After this, you feed the pressure pump.
Yeah. Me? Pressure? Did I tell you pressure?
Hey, feed pump. You put your feed pump. Okay, and you get a few minutes. A release of a few minutes. What the water? Pure water. 1 minute. Okay. After 1 minute, and pure water is up. Okay. You the pure pressure pump. Okay. On the pressure pump, and we begin the treatment process.
Okay.
Right? When you want to stop the treatment process.
When it's done, when you are done.
When you are done, okay, you want to stop the treatment process.
No, something is missing. After doing this, what is the next thing to do? I said something, Abraham. I said something. Say something. Have you forgotten?
Sometimes.
After you have just started the process, what do you have to do next? Rinse.
Yeah. What do you say also?
I'm going to blow you up. Do you remember? Abraham, do you remember?
Level of water.
Good. Tell him.
What? Oh, the level of the water.
You have to be around.
You
Be around.
the level of
Keep
the
an
water.
eye on the road that time.
Okay.
So that you don't cause damage to the numbers. Good. Abraham, it's your turn. No. Pull your shirt up. Pull your shirt up. Okay, good. So Abraham, you're going to tell me the whole process. I don't know anything. I want to treat water. What should I do first?
First of all, I turn on the switch.
Okay.
Secondly, I turn this.
Release it.
Yes.
Okay.
This on. Feed pump.
Good.
Press your after a few minutes. Press your pump.
It's 1 minute.
1 minute.
You give it 1 minute.
Okay. Press your pump. After we check level of water.
Not, I use this as an example, but the raw water tank is what you're checking.
okay.
So you do a lot of climbing. Where is this? You see where the water tank is? You do a lot of climbing. Yeah. So after that, you'll be checking the levels.
Okay.
And because this is a 3,000 liter per hour, you can decide to give it the last 2 gauge. Then you stop the process. So when you're stopping the process, how do you go about it? I don't know.
To stop process, first I push the press your pump
Okay.
off. A feed pump
Okay.
switch
Okay.
off.
Close your valve. Good. But
Anytime we can change
this
the
changing the
gravel,
The background
charcoal, and reason.
maybe 2 years.
2 years.
After 2 years.
Reason.
Maybe after 2 years.
Reason.
Maybe after 2 years or 2.5. Depends. Okay, so you're going to demonstrate this to me. How do I even put it? You're going to demonstrate the process to us. Okay, in a blind form. You're not going to switch off, but you're going to demonstrate to us what you do. So this is already on. So what will you do next?
Next, switches.
Okay. No, don't do it. Just tell us. Okay. Yeah. So lock it. So you release that. Okay. You said the next thing is release that. Okay. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah. No, you release it, but you won't do it. You turn on. Don't turn on. Then don't turn on. Don't turn. I want you to demonstrate to us. Yeah, no effect, but you tell us. Okay, you turn it on. Okay, what again?
After that, push that on.
You wait for some time. For some few seconds, maybe 1 minute.
Push that on.
So the moment you see
On.
The moment you see rising up, feet pump, feet pump.
This is rising.
Mm-hmm.
Rising large. 4 6.
To the top level.
The top level.
So you will see,
The water.
yeah, you will see it bubbling up.
The water is here.
Mm-hmm. But the moment you start the process, it will go again, it will go down.
Go down. After pressure.
Mm-hmm. And that's it. Start.
Okay.
And then you do your checks.
Do your check.
Okay, so when you're turning it off,
Off. With pressure pump off.
mm-hmm.
And few minutes. Feet pump off.
Okay. And you do what again?
And after this,
Mm-hmm. You turn it off inside, then you lock it.
Look at this.
Yeah. Hey, patron. Patron. Okay. So that's it. That's it. Any la question? No question? Do you have any question? We're going to do a practical aspect of what we have theoretically demonstrated. Yeah. So who's going to start first? Who's starting first? You want to start first? Yes. Okay. Now you give me the theory aspect of what we discussed here before you commence the practical. To comprehend? Do you understand me? So you're going to start practically, but I want you to give me the theory aspect first for me to know that you understand what we have discussed here before you switch to the practical aspect. Tu comprends? D'accord? Good. So now the theory aspect. You're going to demonstrate to me what we've said here, the treatment process. First,
Verify.
no.
Which eye must close?
No. First, you turn on the arrow. Then, you come here and release it. Good.
Now,
Now you release it. Now you come here. You turn it on. Good. And you wait for some time. Good. Wait for some few minutes. Now you see? Good. So the moment you see this, now you're good to go. See this? Now you're good to go. Yeah? And the treatment process starts. How you feel?